Profit and markup. What is profit? Today we are going to understand what is profit actual is and what is markup or interest on it. So let's begin. When we deposit in the bank and the bank in return pays an extra amount along with actual deposit, this extra money that bank pays to us is called profit on the deposit. For example, I deposit 30,000 rupees in the bank. Alright, and the bank in return pays me 1020 rupees. So this extra amount that bank pays to me is called profit on my actual amount, that is 20 rupees. So what is profit here? 20 rupees. Alright, bank pays me my actual amount 1000 along with some extra amount, that's called profit on it. Alright, now next, markup, or you can say that interest. Alright, when we borrow money from the bank to do such lot of work like to do business for our child education, so on, whenever we borrow some money from the bank and the bank in return receives some extra amount along with the actual amount from us, this extra amount which the bank receives from us is called markup or interest on actual amount. For example, I have 1000 rupees, or you can say that I borrowed 1000 rupees from the bank. Then the bank receives from me 1030 rupees. It means 30 is the markup or interest of the bank which he gets from us on its actual amount. We have to pay 30 rupees as an interest to the bank. Whenever the bank receives from us, that's called interest, that's called markup. Whenever bank pay to us with extra amount on our actual amount, that's called profit. I hope it's clear. Now in further examples, you will understand how we represent it and how we calculate it in the further examples. So stay tuned with me. Now I further explain about this topic, profit and markup. So let's begin. Principal amount. What is principal amount? The amount we borrow or deposit in the bank is called principal amount. In other words, actual amount that we deposit in the bank or we borrow from the bank is called principal amount. Now, profit markup rate, the rate at which the bank gives share to the bank account holders is known as profit rate or markup rate. It is expressed in percentage. How much percent profit bank gives to us, how much interest or markup we have to pay to the bank. So that's interest rate that is always measured in a percentage is known as profit rate or markup rate. Understand? To find percentage, how much profit bank gives to us in percentage, how much interest or how much markup we have to pay to the bank is known as markup rate or profit rate. Period. The time for which a particular amount is invested in a business is known as a period. For example, the amount that we borrow from the bank and we have to return in a given time period like 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. This duration is known as time period and we have to calculate this time period also. So, we will discuss in detail how we denote it, how we use in our examples and how we use in our daily life